thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for weakness. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been
Hello everyone, welcome to the stream. Today is day 9 of white coding. I've built Nexa, the AI agentic workspace. So today is the day 9 that I'm improving and making it better on the stream. And my target is to find 1000 user. It means I plan to stream until I find like 1000 users use Nexa. So currently we have 128 users, which is 226 they are in free trial and beta, and we have 2 paid users. So this is the update. I hope we find some user today as well, and the people that really looking for this kind of workspace and application. So that's the target for the day. Hey bro, welcome Kastrik, welcome to the stream. What am I working? This is my application that I built. This is an agentic coding workspace. This one, as you see, it's called the Nexa. I'm using Nexa, basically improving Nexa daily. I already built it, but just here improving it daily. So this is my application, as you see this one. Some like testing on live, improving. How about you? What are you building? Thank you. Are you also building something, or you already built? Yes, doing a few experiment project. Nice. Are you new in the chat, or you have been before here as well? Maybe I not noticed it. So welcome. One experiment is just to get an app that App Store. Never done it before. First time just like that and sub. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, welcome. I hope if you want to share your project, you can join in our Discord. It's free. share your project. If you want me to look at it, I can just give it a look as well. We have in the Discord a project share section, so you can share your project there. That's awesome. Yeah, yeah. It's not like a big, huge community. We are just around 100, and most of people are not active because they were from older community, but we have like about 40 people are from our coding community in the Discord. So and also if you want to try Nexa, the agentic coding, this one, as you see, it has a browser built in. It has editor, plan, path, a lot of stuff. And you can use your own Cloud Code codecs, so it's free. You can go and try it for 7 days. And you can give me a feedback as well, like how it is. I want to, on this project, this is a test project, I want us to create okay. This is the new project, and I want you to use, we have GPT 5.6 Luna, we have Grok, and then we use from Grok Composer 2.5, and then from Claude I want us to use Haiku. So now you decide which one of those do which job, which part of the project. What I want us to build, like a very small strategy game, like farming game. So I want to test the capability of our agent and our agentic work in Nexa, how you can control and how you can verify their work, and how will be the output of it. So that's the thing. I do not want you to build like a huge game right now, just like smaller, that I can see that I can place a few home or some farm, smaller animal, something like that. So right now I'm testing because I built in Nexa. Um, I built in Nexa. It's called like, because in Nexa, Cloud Code, Codex, Grok, Chemi, they're all in one chat, right? So the new feature that I'm testing today is that I'm working on improving the one chat. You choose like one from any provider, like I choose for example Office 5, and then what it does, I ask it exactly like I want, like from GPT, from Codex I want you to use Luna, from Grok I want you to use Composer, and from Cloud I want you to use Haiku. So, and keep in mind, from each providers use 3 agents, so total 9 sub agents. So I'm testing like if it's capable enough that can do any task, a serious task. So that would be awesome. Yeah, it's okay. If you wanna just me just look at it, you can share your project on our project sharing in Discord here. You go to the Discord and then go here, share your projects. So so you can share your projects, give it details, like other member as well. Like slowly people are like posting, so we can improve definitely. Now we have about 40 people from web coding and the rest is not from web coding, so we're getting momentum, you know, so slowly. Which folder should be? Oh my god, I opened it here. That. Let me try that. Welcome guys, welcome everyone. If you're new here, my name is Riza and this is my product that I built. This one, as you see in the screen, this is an agentic coding workspace, or some people call it a super app. So welcome. Hello sir, how are you? Welcome Abu Zar, welcome to the stream. Good to see you, man, good to see you. Good to see you, man, good to see you. So Abu Zar, today I'm testing the new, as you saw that I built yesterday, I published in the version of 34, as you see in the side if you go. The new agentic orchestrator plus some people call it agentic swarm. So that the main chat that we have like one chat only, and I can ask it, for example, something like this, that from Opus, that launch as a sub agent like 3 Luna, 3 Composer from Grok, 3 GPT 5.6 Luna from Codex, and also 3 Haiku from Claude, right? And manage them. So now I give it a prompt that build me like a smaller game. I want to see how Opus and how the sub agent system, or because it's all providers are included, how everything will handle each other's, the pipeline basically I'm testing. So that's the mission for today. How was your day, bro? To be honest with you, I'm very tired and very sleepy. And before I come to start streaming, I was like feeling so sleepy. My body is a little bit exhausted. My mind is as well, because it's been couple of like it's been months, but I can say like couple of weeks been more tougher, because since I launched Nexa, my work has been like double. Because before, when I was building alone, even I was working for 12 to 14 hours, but that time was no pressure. Like if there was some bug, I could do it. Okay, I'm gonna do it tomorrow, or I can fix it like next session. Right now, if I get a bug report from users especially, so I have to jump in and fix it. So that's the thing, a little bit put me on pressure. And also I don't want like leave Nexa without update and without being, I have to be very active and be ready. As you see right now, if I show you in our update in the Discord, look, since the since the Nexa been live, it was on the first update that I pushed it was 18. So think about it. 18, then 19, then 20. Now we are at 34. So every single time I pushed so many fixes, update, upgrade, improvement. Each update cover like 15, 20, sometimes a lot of So this is all the update I in couple of days or weeks, I can say, like been 3 weeks, a little bit, but hey, that's that's what you have to do, right? Your hardware will pay, inshallah. Yeah, I hopefully. Thank you. Thank you. Contract and shield are in place, spanning out all sub-agent right now. 3 on codex, 3 on grok, 3 on clock. Okay, you see, this is the new pipeline. Now the opus is, as you see right now, it's supposed to launch 9 sub-agent, which is not only from Cloud. Each one is from other providers in one single chat. So right now it start to spawn, like this is the first sub-agent it did. As you see, it's saying Luna 5.6 on the job. So this is the first sub-agent that it sent to the job. This is how it works. It's like, you know, I'm trying to close the gap of oh, I have to, how can I say, like all the good models from all providers in one chat. Basically, they can use each other's help, improve each other's work, and you can give them like each one like any job in one chat. So that's the whole thought process. Right now, Opus, for example, using as a sub agent Luna. So this is Luna. Let's start working. So let's see. Now, as you see, the second sub agent is now in spawn as well. So now it's doing the second one. Hey, welcome. Welcome, the Mr. Ward, I can say, or Yard. welcome to the stream. How are you? How is your day, guys? How you vibing? You coding? what we're building, boss. Boss, as you see right now, I'm testing. I have been. I built like a few days. I was working, not a few days. Like it's been like, if I can say months, but a few days, like a little bit harder to multi-agents, like kind of agent orchestrator plus agent swarm in one single chat. Like before, I have built a separate agent orchestrator, and then I was like, no, that's like too much for everyone that using Nexa. I want Nexa to be like very user friendly, and it should not be feel like complicated. Anyone can use it, right? So I'm like a balance, not like only for devs or only for like me and you regular people. No, it's like I'm like, it should be a balance that one chat can do everything. Right now, first thing that I did was okay, Word. I will call you Word. So first thing I did in the one single chat, I brought all Cloud Code Codex Grok Kimi in a single chat. So if you have like running a chat, what you can do, if something that Codex cannot solve, then you can just switch from Codex to Cloud, and then you choose your model, and just you say continue, or you say like this problem couldn't be solved, like try again, something like that, and then it will have the full context on that thread or chat. When I did that one, and it worked perfectly without losing any context or memory or anything. And then now what I did is, because we have everything under one roof, now I made a new pipeline that, as you see right now, this is Opus, right? Now Opus is using, I asked it that use 3 Codex Luna, GPT 5.6 Luna, and 3 Grok Composer 2.5, and 3 Claude Haiku 4.5. As you see, right now, it started using Luna, and it did give the job to Luna, and this is what Luna did, right? This is what Luna did, and then all 3 Luna finished, and now it's time for Grok. So now Grok is also doing its part. So it divided all the work between, as you see now, it used Grok 4.5, and also now it's using Composer. So total it's supposed to run full sub-agent from all providers. So this is what I'm testing right now. As we see, it's working, but I want to see the result. I want to see the Opus verify the work of all these agents and have like a high quality output. That's what I'm looking for it. So what are you building? Like what was your job or your task for the day? Nice, a broker. Yeah. What are you building? Like, what is your project? Are you working on something? How is the music and how is my mic? Which one is loud? Like, is it noisy or everything's fine? Both are fine. Okay, good. Today I was doing trademark research. Quotas are exhausted. Oh, really? Okay, good, good. Because I have 5 Mbps internet, so I hope the quality of the stream is not very worse, you know. Abuzar, also I have a question for you that are you working in any project or no? It's excellent for 5 FPS. Yes, it is actually. I asked Nexa because Nexa also I built on it. It's called Nexa Computer. So I asked Nexa Computer to fix for me and optimize my OBS. And this is the setting that it did for me, as you see. If you go to output, this is what it built for 5 Mbps, and the audio is also this one. And this is the hardware, this is the quality. And if I go to videos, it chose for me 60 FPS and 19 like 1080p. For 5 Mbps, I think because I was having a lot of, my bitrate was like 4500 before. So yes, I'm working. What are you working on? Okay, right. Until now, all 8 agents have been working. So 8 agents have been working. One more is left. So Composer, Grok, Luna, and this is like the haiku. I don't know if you can see, guys. I can zoom in if you want a little bit. So we have one more download for devices, guys. One more download. We are gonna hit 130 downloads, which is amazing. Even like 127 people are using free trial, but still it's amazing for me to seeing that Nexa is running inside 129 devices. I'm so proud of in just 20 days. So I'm working on a project multi-terminal on one window, just like bridge space. Oh, nice. Good luck for the project. If you need any help or anything, so you can, you know, the Discord, you can share your idea, you can share your project. For Vibe code is great. Like, we'll need just design tips. Product is almost completed. I really highly recommend you to use Nexa design. I really, because I use that one and most of my new designs, and even you were here in the chat yesterday, right? That we designed this one, that animated thinking. It was different. If I zoom for you, you will see it. That this one. You see this one? This one you see here? This is now using Nexa logo. But this is also designed by Nexa. Yesterday we did it in the stream. So this thinking animation is now using Nexa's logo. So this is also was designed by Nexa itself. Yes, yesterday on the stream last night, like we did it. We changed from, it was like a generic thinking. Now it's properly, as you see, it's very nice using Nexa's logo, you know, for so that one. I really highly recommend use Nexa design. Which is gonna be very helpful for your UI polishing stuff. Can I show you my public website and multi-terminal? Will yes, go to our Discord. Are you in our Discord? You can share in the project section here. Go. Guys, if you have any project you want me to review or check it, also you want another member to see your project, go to Discord, join. It's free. And then in the share project section here, put and give it also some brief info. Just do not post the link, because there is who and like how I know that what is this, right? if you just post the link. So post proper. Okay, okay. You see, guys? Okay. Do you see this? Little Acre. It is the game name, and this is built by Nexa's agent orchestrator, which is Opus was the main agent, and it handled, as you see right now. If I open, this is workflow that it used. It used GPT 5.6 Luna, 3 agents, and then 1 Grok, 2 Composer, and then 3 Haiku to build this game. I asked it to build like a simple game that I want to test the capability of agent orchestrator of Nexa. So this is the result. I still have not played it because it's now verifying by, as you see right now, it opened and verifying the game, checking it using Nexa computer right now. If I hide this one, and you will see that it's used, it says in the top, Nexa is using your computer. It's now verifying visually the game. So this is how it have now the result. After it's done, I'm gonna check it. Okay, I think that agent orchestrator is working properly. Like as we saw, look, it used Luna, it used Grok, it used Composer, and it used Haiku, right? So all 3 providers under one roof, under one chat, and who handle those Opus. So this is what you can do in Nexa chat, guys. If you have a Nexa chat, I mean, if you have a Nexa, you can try it. You share it on the, okay, let me check. Okay, after Abuzar, after this computer use stop, the agent stop computer use, I will show you here. I will check it. Sure, sure. Yeah, I will definitely look it. If you click orange reaching the panel, the browser have not yet satisfied from real time. Okay, now as you see, this is the mouse of Nexa again. Okay, all the other agents are done. Now it's testing its work.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for
Okay, is your project open source or how it is? It is how you're planning to do it? Okay, let's see what it built for us. What is this? How can I play it? Okay, pause. It's save. This is reload. This is days. This is hour. That's not what. How can I build? How can I use this one? Like, what is this? Okay, I can click from all of these resources that I have, and then I can put it on the empty area. What is this, bro? Now this one has 8. I can build, plan. Okay, collect. So I can collect like this. Okay. What is this? Okay, this is Abuzar's project, the agentic wipe coders. So this is gonna be the same as bridge mine kind of idea, right? So it is free and open source, no account, no nice. So you can have for your Mac and your Windows. So this is for you. What is this? You use the you use Electron or Rust and Tori. What did you use for this one? I'm thinking I should charge at least $3.99 a month. What do you think about what should I do? Honestly, it depends. Happen. What happened to my stream? Guys, am I here? Because my Chrome has crashed. What what was this one? What was this? Sorry guys, second and my Chrome has crashed and I don't know why. Okay, you are back, you are back. Okay, good. To be honest with you, I'm not in a position that I can tell you right what to do, to be honest. That's an honest answer. But if you plan to like grow and have an audience for it, and your intention was like an open source from the day one, and now you want to change that, I do respect it. But you have to think like what is your vision and what do you want to achieve. When I built Nexa, my vision was clear, right? I want to have an application that people eventually pay to use it. I want to make it something that people uh, be willing to pay for it. It's not like, that's why I'm like working so hard that I have to convince you and also so many people that to buy Nexa. For example, same, I'm not saying that you, just saying, not only because of my talking, right? Because of my actions, and also show that why you have to, if you pay what you get, right? So that's how you have to be specific with your goal. If you charge like one-time fee $4.99, it worth, like people will pay for it. But the product is not here, right? Properly. As you said, it's not ready yet. So we can judge this one later once it's completely ready. Let us know, and if I can guide properly, I will. As you see right now, the agent like spawn multiple providers, sub agent, it did work properly. But the issue that I have right now is, I don't know, maybe it's because of the choice of agent, maybe that task that I requested, it was requiring that it should spawn each agent separately, or it should wait for one to finish and spawn the second one, or it is because of we limit that. So can you check that one and verify? If anything need to improve, we have to improve it more reliable. So this was the proper task and prompt as you see on the screen. You judge it by what was the intention behind of that action, and let's see how we can improve it. Yeah, bridge space charge $116. Okay. First I thought try open source it, but my friend told me that you charge one. You know, both way has its own benefit and its own issues. For example, if you open source a project, right? So if you open source a project, it has its own benefits, which a lot of people will use it, and you will gain a lot of community gather, and you may get more support based on, some people will get even donation. But if you build a product that like really people, if people will pay for that product, it works, then you have to make a little bit money, you know. That's not a bad thing, because we are all here working to make at the end of the day money, and also something that be useful and people willing, when they pay for it, it worth that the amount they put on the product, right? That's my thought process for now. So everyone, welcome to the stream. If you're new here, my name is Riza, and this is Nexa, my product that I built. It is an agentic coding workspace. It's currently has 7 days for free trial. If you want to go and try this clean workspace, you can do it. It has built-in chat, browser, editor, plan, path that you can draw directly send to your agent. An agent can draw as well. A lot of step and process. Very easy to use. So link is in the description if you want to check it out. And if you're new here, you can support me by subscribing, liking the video, the stream. Okay, Roy, I'll come back after 2 hours. Yeah, bro. Good luck, good luck. I will see you later. Take care, take care. And thank you for joining. Thank you.
kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Okay, this is good, but I want you to turn this game to proper 3D game, like real farming, that I be able to visually see, like the farm, the home, and I like the graphic and the way that you have for the navigations, buttons, and all of that, but the game itself is not nice. So I want you to turn this one to 3D game.
Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe.
And I want you,
That's
for that, use the same sub agents as needed. Like, do not use higher than those from Codex GPT 5.6 Luna, and from Grok Composer 2.5, and from Claude Haiku 4.5. So you just observe and guide them and verify their work. And do not use computer use. If you need, you can use browser use.
And hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Eat faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Just wanna be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Count 'em like the four-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it out. Tonight, we gonna let it out. Tonight, we gonna let it out. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it out. Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They
Welcome everyone. I'm testing right now the agentic. I can say that agent orchestrator of Nexa. So that's why I'm like testing this game that it built. Used like cheapest models. I'm like testing that how it is it everything is properly checked, working, not working. Did it forget anything? That's what I do right now. Okay, good. Now I want us to talk and improve properly our agent mode. For example, we're gonna should start from. We have to check our agent mode properly, that it should cover all opening, closing, organizing the workspace. That's gonna be the first thing that we have to do. One more pass. What is wrong? What area we can improve it? Things to be more efficient, more cleaner pipeline for our agents when they are using agent mode. That's one thing that I want us to do. Like opening every panel that we have in Nexa, from a chat, browser, editor, plan, path, commander, helps, projects, thread, managing those, closing those, minimize, maximize of chat, CLI versions, and also organize that we have right now agent is using sometimes some stuff, but it's not organizing the workspace properly. So check that on and see from closing and opening. This is the first thing. We ignore every other stuff, like if some other stuff is not working, because we're gonna go one by one checking. This is the first thing that we do: opening and closing everything inside Nexa. This cover both agent mode and Nexa commander. Guys, welcome. If you're new here, my name is Riza, and this is my agentic coding workspace that I built. It's called Nexa. I'm working and improving Nexa, using Nexa. So welcome to the stream. If you have any question, want to share your own journey, chatting, so ask me, which project are you working? How did you find my channel? Like, is it YouTube recommended? Currently, we have 129 devices that Nexa is running. So we have two paid users, and the rest are free trial users and beta users right now. That's the stats right now. We need 2 more subscribers, guys. We're gonna hit 1090. So if you're new here, you can support us, support me in this journey. 2 more subscribers need to hit 1090, Bro, Fable is using sub agent using Fable. Wow. Gonna burn my token right now. Bro. Grok build. I can use it. I use only 70% of my Grok. Wow. Of August. So 2 more subscribers, we're gonna hit 1090. So if you're new here, you want to support me in this journey, give it a like the stream and also subscribe. So I need 2 subscribers to hit 1090. So come on, guys. But if you don't like me or the stream, that's don't do it. But if you like the stream and you will learn something, right now I'm testing Nexa's agent orchestrator or sworn agent, because right now Opus is using GPT Luna and also Grok Composer. That's what I'm testing, if the pipeline is efficient. So it's building like a smaller farming game. As we're testing Nexa's capability, its chats, its agents and pipeline. And also I'm in the SSH path, I'm improving Nexa itself as well. So basically I do both things at the same time. Right now, this is inside SSH, the dev version of Nexa, and this is the local version which I using and building these games. So that's what you can do. Hey Alexei, welcome to the stream. Gishwis, I'm sorry if I messed up your username or name pronunciation. Welcome to the stream. What is Nexa? This is Nexa, as you see in the screen right now. This is an agentic coding workspace. I call it like a super app. So as you see right now, it has a multi-provider support in one clean chat. You do not need to open for each and every one like a separate chat. Everything will be in under one chat and thread. And the contacts transfer, everything is so properly done that if you are building with Codex and you hit a rate limit and you want to continue with Cloud, you can do it, or with Grok you can do it, or with Hemi you can do it. And right now, for example, as you see right now, it's Cloud Opus. Opus is using multiple providers as a sub agent. It's using GPT Luna GPT 5.6 Luna, and then it's using Grok Composer 2.5, and also using another, like as you see, 3 Luna and 3 Grok. Now it's using Haiku. So basically the main agent can spawn from all other providers if you have all their account connected on your Nexa. As you see right now in one clean chat, it can use any provider as a sub agent if you ask it, like I did ask it, for example, for this task, and it's doing. And you can inspect each and every one. For example, we click, I can show you, you click, and then you will see what it did. So it did report, and then you can go to the next agent and you see what the next agent is doing right now. And then you go, like you can check each and every one of those agents. Right now, as you see, it says 8 agents running, and Opus is handling those 9 agents, those 8 agents. Looks great. Does it have a CLI as well? Yes, it does have a CLI. If you, this is your project, for example, in the workspace, each one is, this is the project, and then you just click on this plus, and then there is a chat, and then there is a CLI. You click on the CLI, and if you want, you can have like Cloud Codex CLI. Like click like this, and then for organizing the erase space properly, you use organize. So now, as you see now, this is the chat. It focus on the same project. Now you have like Cloud CLI, which is also focused on the same project. You do not need to type or choose directory for it. Everything will be automatically done. And it's now, as you see, this is also locked. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna zoom in. This is CLI, right? This is also locked to the same project, and this is the chat. This is also locked because you will see after the name of that agent. This is Moon. This is Sky, the agent name, and then you will see slash, and then you see new agentic chat, which is this project. This is also says the same thing, new agentic chat. So if you use open in any project CLI or chat, it automatically like lock on that project. It's not that you open and then you choose directory for it. Everything is done automatically. So, and also you can zoom in if you have like this, if you have like a bigger screen, 5K monitor or something, or if you have a smaller screen, you can also zoom out to have like the full experience of Nexa using control plus and also CMD if you're using, or minus, you know, this is how it's done. And from appearance also you can do the same thing. Scroll down, you will see that. And you can close and you can keep everything here. Damn, great UX, love that. Wow. If you love it, you can try it, you know. If you have a MacBook or Windows computer, go. Link is in the description. It has 7 days for free trial without you have to enter your credit card, nothing. You just download and create for yourself an account, and then the license will be in your dashboard, and you copy and activate the Nexa and use it. So simple, and you can try for yourself. If you like, if you don't like, then join our Discord, give me a feedback of how I can improve, what's right, what's wrong. And this is the chat. Like this is how the workflow will looks like. As you see, all the other agents from Claude, Grok, and also even GPT done. This is the only one agent is left. Everything shows with the timing, and the main agent is Opus, which is handling. This is the task that I gave in. As you see right now, I gave it this task to build as a farming 3D gaming. So you see, this is what it built, the Nexa agent, and for coding, it used like Luna, the cheapest model from each provider. So it used Luna, it used Composer 2.5, and also Haiku. So it didn't use like Opus or Fable. So this game, as we see right now, bro, this looks nice, right? Wow. Okay, this is a farming game, guys. This is our chicken. So we collect it. Okay, I can zoom in. Really impressive, not gonna lie. Yeah, thank you. You know, the crazy thing is this game is not built by Opus or Fable. This built by Luna, Composer 2.5 and Haiku. The Opus just guiding them and verifying their work. So that's why I'm checking like in Nexa chat that multi-providers people can use for complex tasks that they have, and as you see, the code is not done by Opus. The code is done by Luna and Composer and Haiku. So that's why I need to really. I'm really impressed. Honestly, this is a 3D game. I'm joining the Discord. Yeah, okay, good. Welcome. If you join to the Discord, welcome. Guys, this is our Discord. We have like smaller community. You can share your project. If you're using Nexa, then you can report any bug that you see, as you see right now. User are reporting all these bugs that they have, and I'm like replying as fast as possible. And also, if you have a feature request, you can request me, like someone did requested me a feature, which I am focusing right now on it. And like this one, it's a great smaller community. We can have like fun, you know. Welcome everyone. Did you see the new, hey Mika, did you see the new crime agent? No, crime agent? No. What do you mean, like crime agent? Is it an app or something? Yeah, I also use Opus and Orchestrator with Soul and Kimi work really well and way cheaper than was a few months ago. Yeah. So if you wanna, I don't know which ADA you're using, but you can give it a shot. Nexa, as you see, this is how it handle everything under clean chat. So you can inspect each and every agent, and you do not need to do anything else. You just give it a prompt and the main agent will handle everything. So this is this game is built by Nexa agent orchestrator. This is my chicken. Okay, I can sell the eggs, and then I can, this is still not final yet, as you see, it's still working, but hey. Okay, can collect, and then I have then I can plant some like tomato, maybe. No, I have to first do the pulp. Okay, then I can plant like tomato, and then I can plant like carrot, right? I can click on collect chickens. So this is how it works. Yeah, I also use Office. Okay, it is like harness I got 85-90% on or AGI. Really? No, I haven't checked. Prime agent. Haven't checked it. Let me check what is it. Like this one, Prime Agent Portal. Like this one. Is this the site? Okay, now I can collect this carrot, tomato, this chicken, and then I can sell it. Nice. What do you think, guys? Like, honestly, as a like, this is a 3D game, a farming game that created by Luna, for example, Luna and Composer, but Opus 5 was like handling those. As you see, the Opus 5 is the main agent, and there is 10 more agents that, as you see, it spawn and used for it. So how it looks. You can check it. The one by Prom Intelligent. Intellect. Okay, Prime. The one with Prime Intelligence. This one? No. Okay, this one. I will do my research a little bit later. We'll see. I'm gonna keep it here on the left side. Yes, some big people from big labs left and meet Prime Intellect from what I know. Okay, I will definitely do my own. Because it was so long, so I have to read it, you know. The paragraph was very long, so guys, I need one more subscriber. We can hit 1090. Can you please subscribe one more? 11 more, we're gonna hit 1100. I don't know about that will happen today or not, but one more, we're gonna hit 90. So if you wanna support me in this journey, and this now used like 11 agent, right? And this is still working. So let me go to here and say go back on safety. Okay, I want you to do this one properly, and I want you for coding use Opus. Okay, don't use Fable. Use Opus for coding as a sub agent, and you just verify its work. Even for research and other stuff as well, use Opus. Do not use Fable until you think that okay, it's really needed. Or there is to say go batch from safely finding 1 to 11 false down batch honestly in the basement numbers. Okay, guys, thank you for supporting. We are now 1091. Thank you. So I appreciate. Thank you. I mean, it made me think what that harness does a lot of difference, just like with Nexa. All right, I sub. Thank you. Mika, I will check that one properly, and I will do my own research and investigation. If I can learn something that I can use it in Nexa, I will definitely do it. If something that has aligned with my vision, right? And thank you for sharing that one. So I appreciate it. The one thing that if I use Opus, you see this is how it handles. For example, I said that for this task use Opus only. If you need Fable, then use Fable. And what it did, now it's using for 2 tasks Opus and for 1 task Fable. Now it switch all of it to Opus. So it's handling things so smartly, as you see right now. Now it's using Opus as a sub agents, but it was using Fable. So maybe it just needed what it needed from Fable. Now it switched to Opus. Every other agent is now Opus. This is how in Nexa they handle the sub agents like properly in a way that with proper guidance. So what is your vision? my vision, my vision is that if someone using Nexa, for example, you using Nexa, I want the experience should be you should feel home. Like you should feel, okay, this is my harness, my own harness. Even it's not open source, but it's a lot customizable workflow that you can have multiple chats the way you want. You can put them wherever you want, and you can resize those, you can replace those, you can minimize, like I did minimize one chat right now here, and if I open it's gonna open, right? So if I don't want, I minimize, and I have like thread proper management. I can, if I want, I have multiple projects. I can just, like as you see right now, like a folder collapse that thread, like a very customizable workspace, and also multiple providers in one workspace. Basically, if I have Codex, Cloud, Grok, Kimi, my vision is that I shouldn't be limited and open new chat and lose the context of it when I'm doing a task, you know. Like I can have in the same chat, Fable can be reviewer, Opus can be executor, Soul could be a backend agent. So if I ask the main agent, it can handle everything like the way I want. And also very customizable. You can look, you can do whatever you want. You can put this one here, and you can open editor, you can open path, you can open plan. Everything is gonna fit in the workspace. Then it has organizer, and it's organized the way like you like. Can save your workspace here. It says in the workspace, then you can save your workspace. Every time you can come back and just click, it's gonna load your workspace, like where you put it, the chat, and preview all that. And it has this is called the Nexa path. It has a path that you can lay out your vision for agent and send directly to the agent from here. And if you ask agent also can draw its your vision or its vision here, like a smooth, it's like a relationship between you and your agent. That's what Nexa is. All right, I stop. Oh, is it available on Linux? Not yet. I'm working on that one soon. Maybe by maximum, I can say by in a few days. It's gonna be available for Linux. Yes, that's the next thing that I'm really, because maybe you are like now the 10th person that asked me the same thing. I'm very ready to build it. Everything is ready because I maintain Nexa in Linux server. The code base is there. It's not in my machine because I don't trust my computer. If something happen, I do not want to lose everything, right? So, and it's easy for me to have the Linux version because that Linux server that I have, so it's like a machine. So for agent to build something similar environment is easier. Like if you build something for Windows, inside Windows is way easier that you build inside Mac. That's what I'm trying to do. Titi, welcome, bro. Hi, how are you? Welcome. How's your stream today? Okay, let's see what Nexa agent orchestrator built for us. So this is, it's done. It says done. I have been testing agent orchestrator inside Nexa, that swarm agent, some people call it, but here is like, I call it agent. It's a normal chat. Inside a normal chat, you can do it. For example, inside a normal chat, you can just ask Opus or any provider that you have to use whatever agent they want. Like as you see, I asked from Opus, and as you see right now, it used GPT Luna, Composer 2.5, another one, then Haiku, and then use another Composer, another Haiku. I didn't use the high-end model for this task, and I said it to build me like you see that a farming 3D game. So this is the chicken, and then you can collect it. It's egg. Then you can. It was a test that I said that okay, if agent orchestrator inside Nexa works, if it can build something like similar. So this is what it built. I think it looks pretty good, right? From like what is, you can pause it properly, you can save the game, you can load the game, you can reset it, and you can sell the eggs. It was just a test because of agent orchestrator. Yeah, it's a great, cross the 500 subscriber marks. Wow, congratulations, Mike. Congratulations, Mike. You did a great job. Nice, nice. I hope you see 5,000 one day and then 500,000. So that's what I hope for for all of everyone, like to achieve whatever they want, right, in life. It looks really good, honestly. Let me see if keyboard works. No, keyboard doesn't work. It's with mouse only. Okay, now I'm gonna test this. This is passed. In my opinion, the result is very good. Now I'm gonna test I want you to open Nexa browser and navigate to rshai.dev and then go to the second page / Nexa page of it. And I want you to check how we can redesign that landing page, the main landing page, and also /Nexa landing page. And then I want you to use 3 Luna and 3 Grok Composer 2.5 and use this 6 sub-agent to design, and you just verify their work. You do not code. Ask them to build it. Use Nexa design. This is another test that I'm testing now. It's capability. Thanks, man. Yeah. Titi, thank you for joining. You're done with the streaming? Feel a little bit tired today. As you see, guys, right now, this is a browser use of Nexa. That agent is this is my mouse, and this is agent that navigating and clicking between pages. I asked that one to go and inspect that like my site rshai.dev, and I asked it that use the sub agents 3 GPT 5.6 Luna and also 3 Composer 2.5 and use like that sub agent and ask them to redesign, and I said that use Nexa design. Now let's see how the result will be. So that's the second thing that I'm testing. If this is like as a successful testing, then the agentic I can say swarm or orchestrator, in my opinion, passed, and then it's ready for harder and real world more complex tasks. Good taste on music. I feel young again. Honestly, it's just I have a playlist here from no copyright song, or sound. So it's just playing by itself, and I'm happy that you liked it. How old are you? Good away. Oh, you used to always listen to it. Nice. I'm 29, so you're younger than me. How you feel old? How you feel old, right? So you have to. You're still young. I heard, or I can say I listened to those songs when I was playing PUBG. In 20, I can say 20. Oh my God, when it was 2019. Yeah, 2019, 2018. Not 18. I started playing PUBG like 2019, and I have so much. When I hear this kind of songs, it really remind me those old days. Yes, it is relative with so much stress. I feel 50 software engineer. Oh, really? Yeah, don't. I know, I know. I'm also same. How can I say it? It is like this is how life it is right now. Honestly, it's been not very friendly with a lot of people, but I have to be strong and also like sometimes even I'm questioning myself like what am I doing honestly? Why I'm here? Why I do this kind of what I do, right? I choose the hard path. I used to have a very honestly I can say like I had a good job with my own work and my own business, but I chose the harder path, which is started trading and also now building. Always like I wanted to do something different. Sometimes like why? But then I remember and remind myself that you have to you have to push because maybe you're there you're like so close and you should not like give up. Otherwise, like today I was so tired physically, mentally. Yesterday I worked for 18 hours. Other day before yesterday I worked for 20 hours. I was like fixing bugs report from users. um, but still today, even like I needed really to sleep, and then I was like there is no day will be like everything will be fine, and then you like okay, now today everything is good, now I can go and have fun and can stream, right? Even like if there is like a zero user, you have to go and stream. So that's what I do. Even if there is like no one watching, still I'm like here. um, okay, Luna, I started. Yep, for me always, all the error that I have someone else does it. Google, OpenAI, Perplexity is demoralizing. Yeah, but I won't give up. I'm also building something, hoping it can help others. It's a new world. It is more. Okay, what are you building for agentic systems? I have never had a job. I had a job in my own my own business, but I work here and there. Yes, I work like not a lot, maybe for a few months here and there for other people. So that's why I choose this hard path that I'm like, oh, I don't like to work for someone else. I have to make my own, and then I'm keep heading to ceilings, to strugglings, and a lot of problems. So, but hey, we're still here, right? We are fighter and warriors. I had $2.5 million and lost it. Nice. Good job. What can I say? We'll share when it is closer to completion. Of course, I'm here. You know, you can share, you can join our Discord, and you can share your project there. We can check and see, you know. Why not? You did a great job losing 2.6 million. Amazing job. Right? With the Nexa, my idea is to become millionaire, right? So now that's the idea and vision, and you don't know what will happen. So I was only depressed for 6 months, but yeah, it happens. Honestly, you're right. F is not like 2.6 million, but I also like suffered a lot, especially trading crypto. In earlier days, I lost in 2020, not 2020, sorry, 2018. Not that much, but hey, I lost some from my saving, and that hurts. On that time especially. You remember there was BitConnect in 2018. There was a BitConnect scamming BitConnect. BitConnect, yes, the golden era of crypto. In BitConnect, I lost. I put it some money there. I cannot say exact amount. I put it some amount there, and then what happened? I was only 15 days in, honestly, and I made $1,500, and I didn't take it out, right? Because I wanted to reinvest. It had like a kind of plan that you could reinvest and you could make more money every single day. And then like between 5 months or maybe like sooner than that, you had made like $100,000, right? So that was the idea. So then unfortunately I was 15 days in, and then boom. I don't know how I made it to 38 years old. Let's make another 2 I never fell for him, but it wasn't me. I'm also don't know like how I made to. I'm also 34 years old, so I have been, you know, here and there. We all have like kind of similar experience in life. Let me turn off the computer use from here.
Empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out.
But still, if you never fail, still it's hard. Like 2.5 million, even if it's meme or anything, it's hard, right? So still, still hurts.
Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out.
Sorry guys, I had a call, so I had to respond. Yeah, it was a lot of hard works for sure, but I will just have to do it again. Yeah, of course, you know. That's how life is sometimes. For some people, I don't know, it's like so unpredictable. Sometimes for some people things work so smoothly, and a lot of people have a lot of privilege. Um, even like they are not even serious about life, but still everything works so perfectly. I mean, financially, I cannot judge, but for some people, like putting a lot of hard work, like day and nights, like maybe sometime nothing will happen even you try all kind of ways, but sometime it will crack, but it's gonna take more times than some other people. So you cannot. It's like kind of in my experience, like I'm thinking it's very unpredictable. But we just here to do our best, right? Do our best. Welcome everyone, welcome guys. If you're new here, my name is Riza and this is Nexa, the agentic coding workspace that I built, and I'm here improving it daily. If I have any bug, anything, I'm using Nexa technically, improving Nexa itself. So right now I'm testing its Nexa design and also its agent orchestrator, which Opus using like Composer, Luna, like from different providers like Codex, Grok, to improve that that project. So this is I asked that one to redesign for me the landing page for my landing page. So this is how it built, like a lot of variant. Honestly, look, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this 2 is not completed yet. So this is how Nexa design works. Like if you use Nexa design, the agent will create for you multiple options, and then you can, for example, click. This is one of the option it did create for me. This is how it looks. Maybe it's not completed yet. This is another option. This one looks clean. This is another option. So still it's not ready yet because it's still working. But this is how it works, Nexa design, you know. Guys, we are 9 subscribers from 1100. If you're new here, if you like the stream, and if you have any question regarding anything while coding, my experience, you want to share your experience, I'm all here. And can subscribe, like the video, the stream. We like I'm trying my best to grow the community and like gather a community together in this journey. So the Discord link is also in the chat. Right now we have 179 members, but only 40 members are from Wipe coding community, that since I started beta version, and also the 140 people, they are not very active, but another 40 people that we just have and joined people, we are trying, you know. So join the community. Let's grow this community together. Bro is still working. Okay, this is also completed. This is the last one is pending. But I don't know, guys, like the landing page that it chooses is so different, right? Isn't it? Like it doesn't look like AI generated, like calorie, all like epic. It is just, I don't know, it's so simple. This is the only one has a little bit like kind of action, and like it's so 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 simple. I don't know what's building the last one. What the main question is still being implementation with the land verifying the test batch route honestly. Okay, great job. Now I want you to continue in order with the remaining until properly have like a full agent mode, like all the action that it has, and also Nexa commander. I do not want like agent to struggle and get lost when it want to do some closing, opening, any kind of action that it needed in Nexa agent. So that need to be fixed properly. Patch 2. Continue with honestly missing open close with commander drop. It's not option I will continue to cover. Okay, how much usage it? Okay, so I have like 50% of my fable. Even guys, this is how, I don't know, it's maybe about Nexa or something. I've been using Nexa all weeks from like now forever, right? It's been more than a few months that I'm using, but in this couple of weeks it got so, I don't know, maybe I learned how to use stuff, but it got so efficient. Like right now, as you see, I use 60% of 62% of my weekly limit, and I used the fable so efficient this time. I have still 53% of my fable left, and my limit will reset on Saturday 2 p.m. for my time. So basically I have tomorrow, like I have like 48 hours. No, not 48 hours, less than 48 hours to spend the rest of 38% of it. So that's how I used all the time, like 3, 4, 5 agents in Nexa, and even like 20 hours, 16 hours daily working, and still I'm like have a very good limit of my usage. So it's very efficient if you use properly inside Nexa, because it has compact, clear. Like if you're working and you wanna change the task, you just use the clear or compact one, / compact or clear. That will remove and make your agent's context 0. So let's see what it did here.
Here we go.
Guys, you see this kind of crazy action, it close and then open, you will say, oh, what Reza is doing. This is not me, okay? This is agent is closing, browser opening, checking, then closing, then doing again. So that's not me. So you see like closing, opening the browser, because I have asked it that use browser use inside Nexa. So that's why it does that. Sorry guys, my mic was off. I was like talking. Man, welcome everyone. Welcome to the stream. If you're new here, my name is Riza and this is the product that I do that's called Nexa. This one, as you see in the screen, and it has a proper cleaner chat and multi-agent provider support in one single chat, plus sub-agents, from different providers. The main agent is using right now, as you see, agent orchestrator, browser, and so many stuff. So right now we are testing the agent orchestrator of it. At Opus is handling now, for example, Grok, Composer, and also Luna. And right now it's using Nexa browser and verifying the works of those agents, and until like it's finalized and giving final output. So this is how it works. Okay, guys, now we can check it because I'm sorry, I got a call from my father, so I had to answer. So as you see, guys, this is the output. I just gave it to go and review like my side, this side, how we can have like a better one for like a professional using Nexa design. So it sent 6 agents, and it created for us 6 variant for it. Like this is the control room. I'm gonna check. You can check like this. This is how it looks. The first one, which is I don't like it. And then you can click. There's multiple pages on this one as well. Okay, this is how it looks. The first one I don't like. The second one, it looks so kind of like those big companies, you know. That's how it looks like. Very minimal. Okay, this is another one. This is another one. Oh, it's pages. It's pages. Just my bad, my bad. This is another one. Okay, this is another version in next page of that. I think this one, if you look, if I work on this one a little bit, this looks more serious. How about this one? It's a little bit confusing. Okay, what about the last one? I hope this last one be the nice one. Okay, 1 freight, 5 agents, your machine. Okay, 8 all limits. Let me do full screen this one. 8 limits, which with workers keep the works. Codex, Cloud, Open Code, Kimi, Grok. Okay. 1 person, 1 product, still shipping. Okay. It's shipping. It runs on your disk. So this is how it designed the landing page for us. See what's inside. 7 days free, no cart, then $49 once. Okay. And this is the download of let's check the other page of it. Welcome everyone. If you're new here, my name is Rizwan. This is my product called the Nexa agentic coding workspace. As you see, it's right now, it has 7 free trial days. You can go and try for yourself. It has Mac, Windows. Just give it a shot. You may like it, you know. You never know. This is how it looks. It's very customizable. Has browser, it has multiple providers. All of it in one chat. You can resize. It's very like clean, optimized. Just give it a shot if you like it. You can have multiple chats open at the same time, as you see. You can close or you can minimize it and open back, completely close. So this is how it works. We need 9 more subscribers to hit 1100, guys. We are 1091 right now. If you have been in the stream enough and want to support us in this journey, subscribe the channel, give it a like. Welcome, welcome everyone. Sorry, I was busy with replying some stuff on DMs because I'm still waiting for this build to be done for this task, and then I can just give a build and test the next version. You're also very quiet, guys. If you're new here, don't be shy. Leave a comment, start chat, asking questions, subscribe the channel, like the stream. Let's get initial boost and push. Oh my god. Yo, welcome back. Welcome to the stream. Where are you based? Right now I'm in Afghanistan, in my home country, for family visit. I live in Dubai as well and here as well. So right now I'm in Afghanistan. And how about you? Where are you from? Belgium, nice. How is the weather in Belgium, right? Here and in Dubai, like I really like cold weather, but my luck is not. When I am in Dubai, it's too hot. When I am right now here in my city in Afghanistan, it's the north. I'm in the north side. It's also so hot. It's so hot. These days, it's like plus 40, 42, 45 Celsius. It's like crazy hot. Hot, okay. Like, how much hot? Like 40, 50, 45 Celsius. Here, a few days ago, it was like 47. You go often to Tajikistan? Honestly, no, I have not even gone to Tajikistan yet. 30, 35 is not hot, right? It is hot, but it's not quite hot. But in Dubai, sometime when I check, it's like go outside, you feel like you are in the sauna. That's how humidity is also very high. So Rom, welcome to the stream, bro. Welcome, Rom. Guys, even the UK is hot. The earth is fuck. Yeah, it is very hot, honestly, like crazy hot here. And the one bad thing that in my city here is when I'm here, right? there is no rain. We don't have rain in especially in summer weather. That's very bad. Like if you have rain, maybe you will get a little bit cool, a little bit better fresh airs, but no, don't have that in summer. So that's a little bit annoying. That's true. And also another UK person. That's true. Yeah, it is like everywhere. It's very hot. What are you building right now, guys? Like a project that you are working. How is vibe coding going on? Like, are you happy that we are doing all of us doing this, or anyone regret why what we doing? Sometimes I ask myself questions like why what I'm doing, right? Design layer for AI tools. Oh, nice, amazing. I love it. Okay, are you making money when you're doing or no? Because I have made only $98 since I started doing, like it's been 8 months. So when you started doing, like I have been doing since 8 months, and I have been doing daily, like more than, in average I can say 14 hours I have been doing this only with clients for now. Oh, when you have clients you're getting money, then of course you have to love it, right? I don't have that. I was a data engineer, then quit my job, built 10 projects, only 2 are left now. A job board and animation maker. I'm doing Uber Eats, fund my family while I keep building. Okay, nice. But here we don't have that options. Like we cannot go like do Ubers or anything else. Even in Dubai, it's not allowed to do that. So I'm like trading beside vibe coding. I'm trading features, not users. 1 year and 1 month now. Nice. Not too many clients. Yeah, I've been doing since I started with Lovable. I started building for myself a personal fitness app. So this is what I built, my first project. I can show you. This was my first project that I built for my own personal. I don't know if you can see, guys. This was my first project that I built. I built this one on Lovable and Bold, and then later I optimized with its GitHub inside Nexa. Not now, like 3-4 months ago. My intention was that I integrated AI in this one. I was like, okay, when I wake up in the morning, I need to have if I have a schedule for my gyms, because on that I was starting to losing weight, right? I should have control. Like I was like, okay, if I let AI decide for me should I go to gym or no, based on these few morning checks. For example, it says sleep quality, I could say like 8, and then mindset I could say like 3, and then like body pain I'm like okay maybe 6, and then diet higher number is better basically. And then the AI was analyzing the way how I feel in the morning, and then it would giving me light activity. It would like giving me properly, as you see right now. It says that you do this kind of light activity suggestion, and it was tracking everything like my weight, goal, and then current weight. And this is how I built for myself to track everything for me, right? I could select the cat, and then I could select the ball. It automatically like suggesting that how much calorie should I eat daily, or increase or decrease. This is what I built for me. I was tracking my diet. Everything was doing by AI. And then I built another project for myself, was my trading. Another project that I built was for my personal trading journal. And then that project led me to have, this was my second project that I built. This project led me to build for myself, start to build a agentic coding environment. And now we are here with Nexa. This is my project right now. So not too many clients. Yeah. At least you have, and I hope you have one this. You achieve one day what you want, basically. And I wish all of you like all the very best, guys. Still working on this one. Okay, everyone. I think I'm done for today. This is taking so much than I thought. I'm a little bit tired, very tired. It's like three days that I haven't slept properly. I'm gonna see you guys next stream. Thank you for joining. I really appreciate each and every one of you for joining. So take care, everyone. See you. If you're new here, subscribe. And see you next stream. Take care, everyone. Love and respect. Have a great time.